Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka school sports ka bajulong sisien sisnem jong ka Shon Basan Secondary School lomu ba kalakut no hapadang ka jing Shongshit da ka jing shimbenta jong ki khana school ha ki jing ilakai ba per ka balas dang na do South Rek bat kut no ha ka Hendro Torek uya yong arjar apulai yakani ka lumpung ilakai la panha perdano da ka Patmasri Professor B War ka balalong kum ka kongsan ha ka ni ka sngi bat kala sami khusnam se ki khana school ki bala job ha ki jing ilakai bala pelong da ka school hagi ni lai sngi ganti haringkat ke jing sakhi lang jo headmaster jong ka school uba h dekhar lembagi noi kai jong ni ka school.
I'm sure you all have had a very, very happy time, a very joyful time, participating in many sporting events. I congratulate each and every one of you. Whether you win the prize or not, it is the participation, it is the presence, it is being here, that is of the utmost importance. So, I congratulate and wish you all the very best, especially the teachers who have worked very, very hard to arrange, to prepare for such an amazing event. Just a few words, because I know this time is not a time for speeches. All of you are looking forward to so many other things to do in the afternoon, but just a few words, just to share a few of my thoughts with you this afternoon. All of you, my dear students in particular, I'm sure all of you have your own dreams. You all have your own ambitions. You all have your own goals. There is something ahead of you that beckons you to give your very best. From the very young ones, that amazing performance that you gave just now with your drill, that was absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much. And also for all the participants, the march past and everything else, it has been really, really wonderful for me to be a witness today. I just would like to exhort you, each one of you, in particular the students, to do the very best. I know that a human being, as probably you have been taught by your teachers, you have the body, you have the mind, you have the soul, you have the spirit. All of these are important for your development. It is good that you spend a lot of your time reading, doing your lessons and learning. That is very, very important for your future. But it is also important for you to be able to take part in sporting events, physical activities, that is for the betterment of your physical bodies. So I'm very, very happy. We have been blessed by a wonderful weather. I'm sure all of you have enjoyed tremendously because there is no disturbance at all from nature. We've had a very beautiful day, the beautiful 3 days that have not in any way at all hindered your programs. So that is very important also for your physical well-being. I'm very, very glad, very, very happy that you have had a marvelous time, in having these sporting events.
From class 10. Up from our left is the greenhouse. Now the greenhouse is being led by the placard holder, Balajit from class 9. The flag bearer is Bayantman from class 9. And the house captain is Nankantil from class 8. Alright, the red house is being led by the placard holder Bawan Kodor from class 10. The flag bearer is Bawan Name from class 10. And the house captain is Nang Timjo from class 10. Last but not the least, we have the yellow house coming up from our left. Class 9, and the house captain is Mebadan Bok from class 10. It goes to now the best athlete boys junior. Now we will have the best athlete boys seniors. Now from the seniors, now next is the best march pass.
Hep hep! Hep hep!
Congratulations, house captains, and all the participants from the yellow house.
Bos kini kirap second ini
Lap ya?
Right, and third. House captain, kindly send again one girl from each houses here. Please send again one girl from each house here.